how to create guild on Discord. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can create up a guild on Discord. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, go ahead and open up your Discord, and remember that the opening a guild on Discord is an experiment, so not everyone may have that feature. But if you have that feature, once you open up your Discord and find this interface on your screen, what you need to do is head over to the server, your own server in which you are the admin. For example, I have the server. So once you have reached over to the server, you can just go to this drop down option in the top beside your name and go ahead and locate server settings. Once you open up your server settings, you will be taken to this page. So under this page on this side of the screen, if you are enabled, if you have that option of guild, you'll be finding right here on this section. So you can just go ahead and locate that option like this. This on your settings, you'll be finding the guild settings right here. So once you have selected that guild settings, you will be finding options of creating up a guild for yourself. So you can find this option right here on my screen. So what games does your guild play? You can just go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts, and then you should be able to create up your guild as well. So that is how you do it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.